Hey there, I'm Paul Mihalowicz, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life in the Motor City. My family and I love living in Michigan, and there's a huge reason why. It's the lakes. We have lived on several of these lakes that we're going to talk about today, and I'm excited to share with you my inside knowledge of what it's like. Now, is it perfect here?
I'm not sure.
But if you're thinking of relocating to Southeast Michigan, or just dreaming of a lakefront lifestyle, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into 15 of the absolute best lakes in Southeast Michigan. Whether you want the energy of jet skis or sandbar parties, or the peace and quiet of paddling and no-wake mornings, I got something for everyone on this list. We'll cover what each lake feels like to live on, what homes go for, what kind of water activities you could expect, and even where to grab dinner after a long day on the lake. Let's get into it. Let's go over some quick definitions of different types of lakes so we're all talking about the same thing. So, what's an all-sports lake? You can do everything: jet skis, wakeboarding, water skiing, tubing, you name it. It could be stinky, loud, fun, and really busy. So what's a no-wake lake? It's much calmer. It's great for paddleboarding, fishing, coffee cruising, or even midnight wine trips with your neighbors. Just no fast boats. Electric motor only. You still get water access, but super quiet. Great for eco-conscious buyers or fishermen. It's all electric and batteries, so there's no smells or sounds of gasoline or motors running. Non-motorized. Canoes, kayaks, fishing boats, that's it. Think yoga on the water, pure serenity and peace and quiet. So the first lake on our list is Cass Lake, which is in West Bloomfield. Cass Lake is one of the largest and deepest lakes in Oakland County, Michigan. And when I say active, I mean it's alive all summer long. This is the kind of lake you'll hear music from all the boats, and you'll see families grilling at the state park. That makes Cass Lake a little unique. And yes, it's an all-sports lake, so anything goes. Jet skiing, wakeboarding, power boats. It's super high energy and exciting. The water is super clear, and the sunsets are even better. Homes ranging from the mid-400,000 to multiple millions. Estates in the areas like Keego Harbor and Dow Ridge. Cass Lake is only 35 minutes from downtown Detroit and only 40 minutes to Detroit Airport. You can have waterfront dining at the Harbor Grill. Next on our list is Union Lake in Commerce Township. Union Lake is clear. It's also an all-sports lake. It's popular with boaters who don't want a lot of people and activity. You can still water ski and tube and still have fun, just it's really a more relaxed environment because there's less people on it. Home values range anywhere from $500,000 to $1.5 million or more in areas like Carroll Lake Highlands. You can grab a brunch at the Uptown Grill or snacks from the Union Lake Market after a morning of fun on the water. Next on our list is Lake Orion in Orion Township. Lake Orion is social, scenic, and special. It's also an all-sports lake that has tons of coves, some islands, believe it or not, and a lot of community vibe. In the peak of the summer, you'll have boats that are tied up together, you'll have people hanging out at the sandbar, and actually neighbors that might know your name, which is kind of cool. Homes range from $350,000 for a condo to over $1 million for custom builds on the lake in neighborhoods like Indian Wood Shores. And also, you got downtown Lake Orion right there. Restaurants, bars, coffee shops, and it's all real walkable. And also on the lake, there's a pizza place that you can order and they'll deliver to your boat, which is kind of cool during the summer months. You're 15 minutes to Auburn Hills and about 50 minutes to downtown Detroit and the airport. Next on our list is White Lake in White Lake Township. White Lake is a great blend of energy and calm. It's also an all-sports lake, and it has no wake periods, which is kind of neat. So you get both excitement and serenity if you're looking for that. Shorelines range from super sandy to natural, with home price ranging anywhere from $350,000 to $900,000 plus. Brentwood Farms is probably the most popular area. Highland Recreation Area is also really nearby. You'll also want to stop in at the White Lake Inn for some food and some fun with your friends. Next on our list is Kent Lake in Milford. Kent Lake is a no-wake lake located inside Kensington Metropark, so this makes it really unique. There are no homes on the lake, but plenty nearby. It's a go-to spot for kayaking, fishing, paddleboarding, and swimming at the public beach. Homes in nearby Milford and South Lyon range from $300,000 to $750,000. You're also near trails, disc golf, and beach areas, and you're only 40 minutes from downtown Detroit and maybe 50 minutes to the airport. Next on our list is Long Lake in Commerce Township. Long Lake is exactly what it sounds like. Long, quiet, and cozy. It's an all-sports lake too, but most of the crowd here prefers pontooning, fishing, fishing, and just taking it slow. Homes go for $400,000 to $900,000, especially around North Commerce and the Proud Lake area. It's perfect if you want that up north vibe without leaving Metro Detroit. Next on our list is Lobdell Lake in the Fenton area. Lobdell Lake is part of the chain lakes, which makes it incredible for boating. It's also an all-sports lake, and boating between Lobdell, Bennett, and Hoisington gives you that all-day boating experience. Real estate ranges from $300,000 for small old cottages to over $1 million, especially near Ponma Pines. It's favored for people who want big water with less traffic. Fenton's just 10 minutes away for lots of shopping and restaurants. Next on our list is Wolverine Lake, village of Wolverine Lake. Wolverine Lake is small, but it's really mighty. It's an all-sports lake packed with community pride, from paddle parades to dock decorating contests. You'll find homes from $350,000 to $800,000 with popular streets like Glenderry and Oak Island. You're also close to Wild Lake and Novi, so schools and shopping are really close by. Next on our list is Orchard Lake, located in West Bloomfield. Orchard Lake is luxury with a capital L. It's also an all-sports lake, and the water is extremely clear, and you're going to find there a lot of multi-million-dollar estates. You can expect homes from $900,000 to $4 or $5 million. This is probably one of the nicest lakes in all of Oakland County that people strive to live on. It's private and peaceful, and there's only one public access with I believe it's only 25 cars with trailers. So once that fills up, they will not let any more public access to the lake. If you're looking for a prestigious address, this is it. Next on our list is Sylvan Lake in the Sylvan Lake, Keego Lake area. Sylvan Lake is really the hidden gem in Metro Detroit. It's an all-sports lake with an up-north look. Big trees, cozy lots, and lots of wildlife. Homes range from $400,000 to $1 million or more for newer construction. It connects to Crystal Lake, and areas like Pine Lake Woods and Keego Harbor have a lot of great options. You're close to Telegraph and Woodward and even Orchard Lake Road, so it's real easy to navigate to downtown Detroit or to the airport. Next on our list is Lake Fenton in Fenton. Lake Fenton is really lively. It's an all-sports lake with a big party scene, if that's what you like. Great for jet skis, social boaters, and lake parties. Can't forget about that, right? Homes start around $450,000 and top off at $1.5 million or more. Restaurants like the Fenton Fire Hall are really near, or the French Laundry. You got to try that one. That's my family's favorite. And you're just minutes from the highway in US 23. Next on our list is Pine Lake in West Bloomfield. It's just right next to Orchard Lake. So Pine Lake is really upscale and peaceful. There's no public access on that lake. It's also an all-sports lake. It's known for more sailing and lakeside brunches than wave runners. Homes typically run from $700,000 to $3 million or more. Look in Pine Lake Estates or Bloomfield Glens. Also, what's unique about Pine Lake is right on the lake is Pine Lake Country Club. So if you're a member there, it's a private club. You get all the golfing plus access to the lake and beach there. Had a lot of friends in high school that used to hang out there. Next on our list is Island Lake in Brighton. Island Lake is in the state recreational area, so there aren't any homes on the lake there. But nearby Brighton has tons of neighborhoods from $300,000 to $700,000. It's a no-wake lake, so it's perfect for paddle boarding, a beach day, or just a quiet escape with the family. It's a great spot if you just want to be in nature and be super quiet. Next on our lake is Elizabeth Lake in Waterford Township. Elizabeth Lake is gorgeous and spring-fed. We lived on this one with my family and really super enjoyed it. There's no public access on this one, only a private marina where you have to rent a dock, and then you get access to the lake in addition to all the people living on the lake. It's also an all-sports lake, and it has the clearest water of all the other lakes. Homes range from $400,000 to over $1.4 million, many with sandy beaches and beautiful views from your backyard. It's quiet, clean, and close to M59, so you get access to downtown Detroit is probably 50 minutes away. Next on our list is Lake St. Clair, located in Macomb and St. Clair counties. This is the last lake on our list, and it's definitely the best and the biggest. It's massive, and it's a freshwater sea. And of course, it's all sports. You'll have a lot of big boats and yachts on it, and smaller boats, for sailing, fishing charters. You'll even see freighters and views of Canada, which is really neat. Homes run from $350,000 to multiple millions of dollars. Cities like Grosse Pointe, Harrison Township, and Lake St. Clair Shores all offer different lifestyles along the water. Also, Lake St. Clair Metropark on 16 Mile or Big Beaver offers a lot of activities for families. When we were growing up, we would always come down there. So, what do you think from the list I just went over? Did your favorite lake make the list? Or did I miss a hidden gem? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I have great relationships with several boat dealers on these lakes that I've even purchased boats from, so I'll be able to get you connected and get you covered there. So hey, if you're thinking of relocating to Southeast Michigan and want to live that lake life, reach out. I'd love to help you make Michigan home. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video about living in the Motor City.